Literally, speed app is very nice, sir. So this time I thoroughly and only, sir, meticulously did all the videos from speed app, given all the MCQ apps, and solved all the MCQs, given all the GTs, sir. And that's how I got this rank, sir.
Great. I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Sourabh Mishra for scoring a topmost rank of 144 in MCA Surgical Group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. Can we know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So I did my MBBS from Dr. Vasantrao Pawar Medical College in Nasik, Maharashtra. And after that, I did my MBBS from Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And after that, I did 1 year SRship in urology in my same college, MS College only, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Now, what is
Yes, sir.
your super specialty interest?
Sir, I will opt for urology only, sir. Actually, sir, I took neurosurgery in SMS Jaipur in NEET 2023, sir. Then after working for 6 months there, I resigned from there as I didn't find the institute good, sir. And as during my residency, I have exposure of both the branches, urology and neurosurgery. And then, sir, from last year only, I thought of giving a full-time preparation for NEET SS. And I subscribed Speed app only, sir, because during my preparation in 2023, by the end of my preparation in that year, sir, I came to realize that I did a very big mistake by exploring every other platform and not listening to you, sir. And literally, I found a speed app, sir. There is no app which can compare the level at which you teach us, sir. Because, sir, in speed app, sir, uh, you directly teach from the textbook pages, sir. So no app teaches like this, sir. And the same mistake which I committed in my last attempt, I didn't want to repeat it. So this time I thoroughly and only, sir, meticulously did all the videos from Speed app, given all the MCQ apps, and solved all the MCQs, given all the GTs, sir. And that's how I got this rank, sir.
Very nice, Doctor. Great. And
Thank you,
thanks
sir.
for your wonderful words of appreciation to the team of faculty, team of Speed for putting up a wonderful work for the students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And
And sir, actually, I want to thank you for developing such a great app, sir. Literally, Speed app is very nice, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Means a lot. Means a lot. Your appreciation means a lot to us.
Thank you.
And Doctor, we want to know from you about this paper. How many questions did you attend, and what was the paper about? Can you share something on your experience of the paper of the exam?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, compared to sir, I had given last NEET also, sir. But due to my wedding, I wasn't able to prepare it. And so in last NEET, sir, the paper was kind of lengthy. Compared to last NEET paper, it was one sort of more one-liner type, like the same questions which are given in the GTs of Speed app, in the same pattern only. The trickiness level is also the same, sir, which are actually given in GTs in Speed app. So I found the paper modest to bit hard, sir. Not easy, sir. Definitely not easy. Because, sir, in this paper also, after I got my results, sir, uh, then I had seen your recall videos and I found out I did 4 to 5 silly mistakes again, sir, just because of the overconfidence that this is the right answer. And that's the big mistake every aspirant do while attempting the question, sir. But I am not going to complain, sir. Whatever rank the God has given me, it's very much nice, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Doctor, what is the advice that you want to give for the future aspirants of preparing
Sir,
for MCS surgical group?
yes, sir. Sir, actually, there is only one advice which I want to give to, sir, the future aspirant. Don't read any books and don't waste your time unnecessarily. Just follow what Vinayak sir says in Speed App, sir, because you always say there is no need to read the books. Definitely, sir, because all the important topics from Bailey, Sebastian, Schwartz, you have already formatted in such a nice way, sir. There is no need to read anything from the textbook, sir. So I will only say to the future aspirant, just stick with the speed app, see all the main four modules like 28th edition Bailey based video integrated, Sebastian 21st and Schwartz based videos, sir, which you have taught, sir, and the Sebastian table based video. And sir, the in speed app, the most nice thing is that the same questions which you teaches us in the videos, sir, the same question you put in the MCQ also, sir. So it's a kind of double practicing of the same question, and ultimately it goes to the subconscious, sir. That's why my request to all future aspirant is don't waste your time in exploring other platform. Just use speed. That's all, sir.
Thank you, Doctor. Great feedback
Thank you,
and
sir.
big words. Thanks for appreciation and the work.
Thank
And
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
now,
Ji.
time to thank and whom all you want to thank that you feel that they helped you from day one till date. You can thank all of them using this platform.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank the God for giving me such a rank. Secondly, my parents. Third, my wife, sir. Fourthly, my best friend, my brother Baba, and my best friend Dr. Nirbhay Sharma. That's it, sir. And of course, sir, speed. You and the faculty.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank
And
you, sir.
once again, thank you, Doctor. We once again wish you all the best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing and astonishing and admirable career in
Thank you, sir.
MCH urology. Of
Thank you,
your
sir.
dream
Thank you, sir.
specialty of your choice. Best wishes, because I could understand that you joined an institute of neurosurgery, then you worked for 6 months and you left there. From there, again, want to study and work on the same mode and to get on a topmost rank and get on to the urology. What kind of passion, dedication you will have, Dr. Saurabh? And
Thank
it's
you, sir. Thank you,
inspiring, and
sir.
you have been role model to tell them if I want to do that, okay, I stopped doing it and again restarted, again I can do it.
Sir, actually, last year, sir, one last thing I want to share, sir. Last year, when you started the orientation class, then after completing the orientation class, you asked everyone uh, start saying ki just write down whatever branch and rank you desire in a page of paper, and just say you will get rank one. So I just messaged you rank one, and you even called out my name. Okay, Dr. Mishra. Then, sir,
Yes.
I thought ki one day when I will secure a rank that can inspire the future aspirants also, then I will definitely have the platform to share with you and give the interview, sir.
Yes, doctor. You proved it.
Thank-
You
Yes,
proved
sir.
it.
Thank you, sir.
That's
Thank
that's
you, sir.
that's what is more important, and you did it, and you worked for it. That is even
Yes,
more
sir.
important.
Thank
And
you, sir.
for that, once again, I wish you congratulations, and also
Thank
wish
you,
you
sir.
all the best and all the success for all future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
All
Thank
right.
you, sir.
Bye bye.